Hello everyone, I am Ishmal Khan from mcqsland.com. This video is one of the videos from Histology series. This video includes some important MCQs from chapter Female Reproductive System. I recommend to practice complete series in chapter-wise order to learn complete course. You should download free all-in-one courses app and ebook for quick learning by clicking URLs in description. Now we start our learning session from Female Reproductive System MCQ number 1. Vestibular glands are also named as option A falciform, option B glans chloratids, option C androgens, and option D Bartholin's gland. The correct answer is option D, which is Bartholin's gland. MCQ number 2. Corpus luteum is a Greek word which means option A red body, option B yellow body, option C orange body, and option D brown body. The correct answer is option B, which is yellow body. MCQ number 3. The outermost covering of the uterine tube is referred to as option A muscular aricis, option B serosa, option B Graafian follicle, option D epithelium lining. The correct answer is option B, which is serosa. MCQ number 4. A dense layer of the connective tissues binding the vagina of the female to the surrounding structures known as option A labia majora, option B adventita, option B labia minor, and option D muscular aricis. The correct answer is option B, which is adventita. MCQ number 5. A pair of the hairless folds of the skin which covers the lateral walls of the vestibule is named as option A muscular aris, option B labia majora, option C labia minora, option D Graafian follicle. The correct answer is option C, which is labia minora. MCQ number 6. The hormones of the female reproductive system incorporated with option A estrogen only, option B androgens, option C progesterones only, and option D estrogen and progesterone. The correct answer is option D, which is estrogen and progesterone. MCQ number 7. The cells of the endometrium which are non-ciliated called as option A ciliary vessels, option B secretory vessels, option C lamina propria, and option D lamina fusca. The correct answer is option B, which is secretory cells. MCQ number 8. The cyst of the cervical gland is named as option B Nabatean cyst, option B uterine cyst, option C ovary cyst, and option D parotid gland. The correct answer is option A, which is Nabatean cyst. MCQ number 9. An alternative name for the follicular cells is named as option A granulosa cells, option B annuli, option C annulate lamella, option D squamous. The correct answer is option A, which is granulosa cells. Before proceeding to the next MCQ, I advise you to download and enjoy all-in-one courses app, a free interactive app developed by MCQs Learn for Quick Learning. This app includes more than 300,000 MCQs, quizzes, flashcards, and polls for histology, microbiology, biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology, zoology, etc. I also advise you to subscribe for the premium version to access all features like unlimited honey jars, ads, free quizzes, details, answer key, and view complete analytics. You may cancel the subscription during the trial period. Please read details in description to download app from iOS and Android URLs. Thank you. Let's go to the next MCQ. MCQ number 10. The diameter of the mature ovarian follicle is nearly option A 1.5 cm, option B 3.5 cm, option C 2.5 cm, and option D 4.5 cm. The correct answer is option C, which is 2.5 cm. MCQ number 11. The functions of the ovary is to produce option A secretion, option B egg only, option C ova and egg, and option D ova only. The correct answer is option C, which is ova and egg. MCQ number 12. The diameter of the theca lutein cells is nearly option A 15 micrometer, option B 16 micrometer, option C 12 micrometer, and option D 18 micrometer. The correct answer is option A, which is 15 micrometer. MCQ number 13. The lateral boundaries of the argential cleft covered by the two longitudinal folds of the skin known as option A, labia minora, option B, squamous, option C, muscularis, option D, labia minora. The correct answer is option D, which is labia minora. MCQ number 14. The innermost layer of the uterus is known as option A, Graafian follicle, option B, perimetrium, option C, endometrium, and option D, myometrium. The correct answer is option C, which is endometrium. MCQ number 15. In the mammalian ovary, a fluid-filled structures and ovum develops prior to ovulation named as option A, Graafian follicle, option B, lamina propria, option C, theca lutein, option D, liquor folliculi. The correct answer is option A, which is Graafian follicle. To practice all MCQs from all chapters, I advise you to download All-in-One Courses app and ebook for quick learning from URLs in the description of this video. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos for all courses related to your major. Thank you for watching this video and take care.